Langen Two Stroke. Review dramatic fuel-injected two-stroke motor. It's been over a decade since two-stroke road bikes dropped out of production, which is why the 33,600-pound Langen Two Stroke arrived as a sight for sore eyes when it was unveiled at the prestigious Salon Prive event in September 2020. Its stunning handcrafted frame, carbon fiber fuel tank, beautifully machined metalwork and promise of limited edition exclusivity means that it's caught the attention of those with an eye for the finer things in life. Meanwhile, the intoxicating mix of its modern, fuel-injected 75 brake horsepower 249 cubic centimeters V-twin two-stroke motor, high-quality chassis and 125 kilograms all-up weight has got stroker fans frothing. Limited to just 100 units, the made-in-Wigan super lightweight naked is already in high demand, so you'll have to get your order in quickly if you want to get your hands on one. Ride quality and brakes. For a bike as lightweight and agile as this, the unshakable chassis is nothing short of miraculous. There's not a hint of a head shake, wallow, or weave even when riding hard on some less than perfect roads. In fact, the whole package is a triumph of handling prowess. The frame is made from a custom-specified 1.5 inches 70/20 T6 aluminum tube that's been laser-cut, 3D bent and immaculately welded together. It also features some bonded connection points, a nod to Langen boss Chris Ratcliffe's former life as lead engineer at CCM. Engine. The engine is the same 249.5 cubic centimeters unit from the Italian Vin's Duecenquanta sports bike and makes a claimed 74 brake horsepower at 11,500 RPM. It's a 90-degree V-twin but is mounted in an unusual forward-facing position, which Langen say allows the most direct routing for airflow into and out of the engine. The Langen also features Vin's electronically controlled fuel injection and patented oil injection system, whereby ECUs control the amount of fuel and oil for any given RPM. Reliability and build quality. Build quality is spectacular, with every component beautifully made and looking pristine. All the parts are high quality and the majority are made in the UK using British craftsmanship. In terms of reliability, during our test this prototype developed a problem with its charging system, which Langen say was a known fault will be rectified for the production version. In terms of servicing, forget everything you know about modern 4-stroke service intervals, as high-performance 2-strokes are a completely different beast. With almost the same power and performance as a 250 GP bike, which require fresh pistons every 300 to 400 miles and a new crank every 1,000 miles, you'd expect the Langen Two Stroke to be heavy on servicing. Value versus rivals. The Langen Two Stroke sits in a class of one. There's nothing that can match its exclusivity, performance, or proposition. Yes, 33,600 pounds is a lot of money, but in terms of the craftsmanship, materials used, and the quality it offers, we think it represents good value. Especially when you consider the price of 90s strokers or 250 GP bikes these days. Equipment. The cockpit is a basic but beautiful place to be. Above the machined metal of the top yoke, nestled inside the carbon fiber cocoon of the headlamp cowling, sits a simple tacho. The speedo is displayed inside a small digital panel within the rev counter and is a little difficult to see. Scrolling through the screens via a push button provides information on trip, running time, fuel and top speed.